Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a Grok widget to your Android home screen. Start on a home screen page that has some open space. Press and hold an empty area of the wallpaper. Keep holding until the page shrinks and the home screen editing controls appear along the bottom. In home screen editing mode, tap Widgets at the bottom. Android opens the widget picker and shows previews from apps installed on the phone. Tap the Search for Widgets field at the top. The keyboard opens, giving you a quick way to find Grok instead of scrolling through the entire alphabetical list. Type Grok into the search field. A Grok result appears with the app icon and the number 4, confirming that 4 widget choices are available. Tap the Grok result row to expand it. You can now see every Grok widget and its size before adding anything to the home screen. There are 3 compact 1x1 widgets for starting a chat, generating images, or starting a voice conversation. The larger 2x1 widget combines quick access to Grok features in one bar. Choose the version that fits your home screen. For this example, tap the combined 2x1 widget. An Add button appears directly over its preview. Tap Add. Android immediately places the Grok widget on the home screen, so there is no separate Save button. The cyan handles around it confirm that the new widget is selected and ready to position. Tap an empty part of the wallpaper to finish placement. The combined chat and voice shortcuts remain visible on the page. If you want to manage the widget later, press and hold it. The placement handles return, and a Remove control appears above it. Tap an empty area to cancel and keep the widget. Here is the full path again. Long press the home screen. Tap Widgets. Search for Grok. Expand the result. Choose one of the 4 real options, and tap Add. Your selected Grok shortcut is now available from the home screen. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Android app guides.